Hello everyone. This evening I'm going to show you how to make a really simple bookmark using holiday ribbon. And the backing is made with something called Creatology. It's a foam glitter sheet, and you can get it at Michael's or other craft stores. Um, so what you need is some ribbon. I was in Michael's one day and I saw this beautiful peacock ribbon, and I just said, wow, what else can I do with this besides make a bow? And I happened to have a book with me at the time. And I said, maybe I'll make a bookmark. So I came up with the idea of just taking some ribbon and the backing. This is the black glitter sheet and some ribbon on top, and I made this bookmark. Also, this is a different ribbon with a different pattern. And then this is another one with a narrow width ribbon. Now, you want to get ribbon that's cloth. These two are cloth, and these two are from Michaels. So that's this one and this one. These are cloth. But this one I got at a bargain store, and it kind of comes off a bit because the back is not really cloth. So I'm going to have to find another way to make that stick on there really well. But it's a nice variation. I like the red and gold combination. That's really pretty. So you can put it together really quick. I've already cut the pieces. This is my length of ribbon. I'm doing another one with the cloth with the gold snowflakes. I think that's really pretty. And then this is I'm gonna do the silver back, and this is the Creatology foam. So you just basically oh, and then this is the ribbon that I'm using. That's gonna be hanging off the end like this one. So, and this is 10.5 inches. This is 1/8 inch ribbon, and it's going to be folded and then placed in the middle between the two layers. So let me just put it together for you. It's just really quick. So on the ribbon, um, I cut it. I cut the ribbon so that it's about 1/4 inch longer than the foam, and this length is about 9 inches. In fact, let me just measure, make sure. Yeah, that's 9 inches because the sheet is a 9 by 12 sheet, and as you can see, it's not that anymore because I've cut off quite a few pieces. So this is 9 inches, and then on the ribbon is 9 inches plus a quarter inch on each side, so that's 9.5 inches altogether that you'll need for the ribbon. So you're gonna lay it like this, and you're gonna peel off the back like so, and you just place it on like that, just like right between those lines, the 1/8, the 1/4 mark lines, like that. All right. So then you're gonna just fold it under. That's the only part that's just a little bit fiddly. And you can pull this back a bit for a couple of times, but after a while it'll really stick really well, especially with the cloth. I'll show you with the peacock feather one. I made that one about 2 weeks ago, and once it's on there it sticks really good, but just to the cloth backing though. Okay, so that's the one side, and then just like so you can have an idea of where to place the ribbon, you just want to fold the outer ribbon on itself so you have a marker, or you can do it with the foam, either way, just so you have an idea of where to place the end ribbon. Okay, so I did it on both sides, so I'm just gonna fold the end ribbon in half. Let's see. Yep, that's not even. Let me just do this like that. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, so just give it a little pinch and it's gonna automatically make like a little V shape. And then you just tuck that right in there like that. All right, and then you want to turn it over and just pull it back enough so that you can make the fold. Just that little mark, just right there. And just be careful if you're using wired edge ribbon. You don't want to stick yourself with the little wires, so just handle those corners very carefully. Like there's a little bit of wire sticking out there. And you might have to fiddle with it a bit just to get the right fold. But that's about the most difficult part of this project. So there you go. Alright, that's one side, and you just kind of even it out on the other. Okay. And if it's not straight, you can still straighten it out a bit. And that's all there is to it. Just tuck everything in nice and neat. Neatness always counts. Sounds like somebody burned up their Christmas tree already. Yeah, you want to really be careful with those wires because they can stick through. As a matter of fact, I'm going to cut this off with a little pair of wire clips. Okay, and that's it. Just smooth it out. Just check your edges, make your edges nice and neat. And that how simple was that? There's a lot of glare here. Let me see if I can fix that lighting. Oh, that's better. Okay, so and that's it. We're done. So that's the narrow one. This one measures about so that's 1.5 inches in width. This is the same one. This one measures 2 inches, and then this one measures 2.5 inches. And of course, you can make them shorter or longer. Some bookmarks are maybe half the size, like maybe like that, you know. So it's up to you. But anyway, this is a nice, fun little project. You can use them as last-minute holiday gifts or just for GP. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good night.